Welcome to the Cosmocurrent, your gateway to the universe's biggest mysteries and most thrilling discoveries. Tonight, we dive into the tale that's electrified astronomers worldwide, the case of 3I Atlas. Is this strange visitor just another comet wandering through our solar system? Or could it be just maybe a clue that we're not alone? The truth behind this cosmic enigma might surprise you. Ready to explore the unknown? Let's get started. Have the wild speculations finally come to an end? Scientists, like Avilab once, proposed a provocative theory that the interstellar visitor, known as 3I Atlas, or the Atlas was just ordinary space debris, but possibly an alien spacecraft. Now NASA has stepped in with detailed data confirming the object behaves almost exactly like a normal comet. So why did the alien theory spread so fast? What do we currently know about the nature and composition of 3I Atlas? And what does this mean for how we understand distant cosmic worlds? You'll find the answers in our video, so watch until the end. The story of 3I Atlas began on July 1st. This year, when the Atlas telescope in Chile spotted a faint object racing across the night sky. Early analysis quickly showed this wasn't a regular planet, it was moving on a hyperbolic trajectory, meaning Eddy Science, bound by the sun, es gravita, and is just passing through our solar system like an arrow. This meant our mysterious guest came from deep space beyond our solar system. The guest was named 3I. Atlas 3I means it is only the third known interstellar visitor ever detected. One of its predecessors, Oumuamua, caused a lot of excitement and sparked wild alien theories in the past. So, what do we now know about this third interstellar traveler? The Hubble Space Telescope revealed that the object S-core is about 3 to 5.6 kilometers in size, zooming through space at a staggering speed of over 200,000 kilometers per hour. For astronomers, Atlas is a dream find. Studying its orbit, chemical makeup, and behavior can provide valuable insights into how comets and planets form around distant stars. However, not everyone took a purely scientific view. Harvard professor Avilab published papers and blog posts suggesting some unusual features. He pointed out that initially, the object didn't have a visible tail, and its trajectory seemed oddly peculiar. It also passed unusually close to Mars, Venus, and Jupiter, which Avilab said was statistically improbable, about 5%. Based on this, he theorized that 3I Atlas might have been deliberately directed, meaning it could be artificial. How does NASA respond to these alien claims? Avilab doesn't really believe it's an alien spaceship. Instead, he calls his idea a thought experiment meant to open science to extraordinary possibilities. But the very mention of alien technology caught headlines and fueled public debate about whether interstellar objects could be more than just ice and rock. NASA didn't stay silent, they quickly responded with a more grounded assessment. According to NASA scientist Tom Statler, 3I Atlas has some unusual properties compared to other comets, but it behaves like a comet. The overwhelming evidence points to it being a natural celestial body. This conclusion isn't just a guess. It's backed by observations from ground observatories, the Hubble Space Telescope, and the James Webb Space Telescope. As Atlas neared the sun, astronomers observed a tail forming the usual result when sunlight heats the icy surface of a comet, releasing gas and dust. Statler noted that its tail has some unique features. Unlike most comet tails, which are narrow and defined, Atlas' tail is wide, diffuse, and fan-shaped, almost like a flag. Yet NASA says this isn't a sign of alien origin, but a natural variation among interstellar comets. Scientists think this unusual tail is caused by a gentle release of gas from the entire surface, with a unique ice composition rich in CO2. Spectral analysis confirmed the presence of water ice and carbon dioxide in the comet's coma, the glowing envelope around the nucleus. Interestingly, the ratio of CO2 to H2O is much higher in Atlas than in typical solar system comets, where water usually dominates. This suggests the ice formed in an extremely cold, distant stellar system where CO2 remained frozen. This high CO2 content explains Atlas behavior. CO2 sublimates, turns directly from solid to gas at lower temperatures than water. So frozen CO2 on 3I Atlas evaporates directly into space without melting, producing a broad, diffuse tail. This also affects how the comet's dust reflects light and polarizes it in a unique way. Measurements show that dust particles are very fine and widely spread, causing light to oscillate more strongly in certain directions than usual. This gives scientists important clues about the dust's structure and how it formed in interstellar space. So as a brief takeaway, just because something strange happens doesn't immediately mean an alien civilization is behind it. Sometimes, it simply shows the natural diversity of the cosmos. NASA, not surprisingly, focuses on the scientific value of 3I Atlas. This comet offers a rare chance to study pristine, untouched material from beyond our solar system. And that's exactly the point. Just because Atlas isn't an alien spaceship doesn't make it any less fascinating or important. In fact, interstellar comets open amazing windows onto distant worlds. Each carries chemical and physical clues about the environment where it was born. As noted earlier, the dominance of CO2 ice in 3I Atlas suggests it formed in an extremely cold region, far from its parent star, probably much farther out than most comets in our solar system. Some experts even think it comes from the thick disk of the Milky Way and is over 7 billion years old. By comparison, our Sun is only 4.5 billion years old. That means we may be looking at a true cosmic Methuselah, making 3I Atlas more than just an interesting discovery. It's set like a preserved time capsule, drifting through interstellar space for billions of years before crossing our path. Studying it can give us valuable new insights into how planetary systems form and evolve across the Milky Way. However, Atlas also shows clear differences compared to its two predecessors. Oumuamua Didunti have a visible coma, causing lengthy debate. Borisov appeared like a typical comet. Atlas falls somewhere between behaving like a comet, but with distinct chemical and light reflection properties that set it apart. This diversity is key, because only by comparing such rare interstellar visitors can astronomers determine whether processes that shaped our solar system are common or exceptional. Each new interstellar guest adds a vital piece to a much larger puzzle. At the same time, the controversies around 3I Atlas show how science really works. No matter how strange some ideas may seem, they highlight the importance of challenging assumptions and allowing unconventional thoughts. NASA stresses the need for reliable data and careful interpretation. Both sides show that wild speculation has its place, but only evidence provides final answers. If you haven't yet, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.